Hi friends, this is my German, Paris and Switzerland tour blogs. My first day was in Germany on arrival with Zurich. The first day I went in this Black Forest, Druba. This is the home for the world most famous cuckoo clock. I hope everybody knows about this cuckoo clock. These clocks are made here in this area and it's very famous all over the world. And the place is located in a very remote area of Switzerland and German border, and it's extremely calm environment, very nature view with mountains and all over greeneries and meadows. And the sun rays were so bright. I was just enjoying the views rather than going inside. Now these are the Google clocks, and some of the shopkeeper gave me free tax card of buying this. So these are cuckoo clocks. Actually, it's not so costly, but I was not fascinated to buy this. Here, the next stop, we drive towards Lean Chocolate Museum. This chocolate laboratory is so famous across the world. I find this chocolate brand everywhere in the world, even in supermarket in Dubai, and in and across Paris, France, Switzerland, and it really tastes really quality. I brought so many free chocolates from here as they gave us for free testing. It's really have a good quality. I bought so many from here. From here, we drove towards the central Switzerland, Lausanne. This is an Olympic museum. To experience the Olympic at close quarters and feel the Olympic spirit, the way the athletes felt it, to study the historic of the games from antiquity to today, thanks to the latest computer technology and audiovisuals media. All of this can be accomplished in the Olympic Museum in Lausanne, and it was like a theater ambience. We were just watching all the years and their achievements in the Olympic Museum, and it was a great experience. So I was done the day, and I get back to my hotel overnight, and I stay and relax in Lausanne.